Let us start again. Types of letters. Students who are online, please keep your microphone muted and your cameras on. Types of letters. The question can be, what are the types of letters? I'm not asking you. You will only be answering when I ask you. So let us first understand that there are broadly two types of letters. Broadly speaking, two types of letters, namely formal and informal letters. Formal letters are those letters which we write to any organization, to any authority, any official, which we call business letters, formal letters. When you write an application, when you are not writing to your friends or family members or relatives, such letters are formal letters. But informal letters are those letters which you write to your acquaintances, people whom you know, your friends, your relatives, informal letters. But then there are also a few types of letters based on their content, formalities, and purpose of letter writing, etc. Let us have a look at few of these types of letters. We already have discussed formal letters. These letters follow a certain pattern or formality. They are strictly kept professional in nature. Formal letters are those letters which follow a certain pattern and formality. They are strictly kept professional in nature and directly address the issues concerned. Whatever you're writing, it should be directly pointed out. Any type of business letter or letter to authorities falls within this given category. The second type already is discussed. Letters to your friends, your family members, your acquaintances, relatives, etc. And these letters do not follow any pattern. They need not follow any set pattern or adhere to any formalities or any rules or regulations. They contain personal conversation, personal information. And the language is conversational. You will write the way you speak. Written to friends, acquaintances. Acquaintances means people whom you know. Relatives, etc. Now let us take a look at what are business letters. How is business letter different from official letter? So business letters are letters written among business correspondents, which means money matters. Business correspondence. Yes, what do you want to say? I don't think I need to answer such irrelevant questions. You have to take notes of whatever is being taught. If that has to be told you, then I really marvel your general awareness. If in an exam for 5 marks, I ask you what are business letters and how are they different from official letters, what will you write? If you have your notes ready, you will learn, will prepare. But if you do not have your notes ready, you are your best judge, whether you want to write it or not, whether you want to sit in the class or hang out. So these business letters deal with money matters. Business means money. Business correspondence contains commercial information such as quotations, orders, complaints, claims. What are some of the business letters? Questions can come like this also. Short answer type questions. What are some of the business letters? The screen already is shared. You can see the content and speak. Quotations, commercial informations, complaints, claims, letters of collections, etc. Such letters are always strictly formal and follow a structure and pattern of formality. It means it should have a structure, a format. Now we come to official letters. How are they different from business letters? Business letters are sent outside. Official letters are written within the organization. Any official information. So this type of letter is written to inform offices, branches, subordinates. What do you mean by subordinate? Yes, subordinates of official information. It usually relays official information like rules, regulations, procedures, events, or any other information. Official letters are also formal in nature and follow certain structure and decorum. Just as a business letter, official letters also follow the same thing. Social letters. What are social letters? Social letters are personal notes or letters written on the occasion of special events, like congratulatory letters. What is condolence letter? Dukh jatana. Condolence letter, invitation letter, etc. These are not business letters. You are not meaning business. You are not meaning money matters. But you are in a society. So you, out of respect, out of politeness, out of courtesy, you write to congratulate somebody, or you write to invite somebody, or you write to give your condolence. It means you're writing to connect with the person who has suffered. Circular letters. So these letters are written and circulated to a large number of people The people read it and they sign to symbolize that yes, we have read the letter and we have signed it. So a letter that announces information to a large number of people is a circular letter. The same letter is circulated to a large group of people to correspond some important information like now what are you so busy in? Yes. So circular letters are written to inform like change of address, change in management, retirement of somebody, welcoming somebody, emergency meeting, holidays, special days like Sunday openings. Now we come to employment letters. Any letter with respect to the employment process, like joining letter, promotion letter, application letter, etc., are employment letters. Now we come to types of formal letters with sample. Suppose you have to write a letter, how you want it to appear. It should be clear and concise. It should be interesting and easily understandable. Since you have read about letters, you are also familiar with formal and informal. Also, you have an idea about informal and formal letters format. Now, this is a solved question. Yes, you at the there. Please read the solved question. Yes, read. Keep your microphone on. Let it be. So Ashita Gupta reads the following advertisement published in the newspaper. एक इश्तेहार पढ़ती है न्यूज़पेपर में. शीर्षक है व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? हेल्प द डिसेबल्ड. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका? डिसेबल्ड को हेल्प कर. An organization working nationwide to care and help disabled all over the country. Join us to make our mission successful. Now this ad is in the newspaper. Together we can make a difference. Signed है Society for the Disabled, D12 Bihar, Basant Bihar. You write. Can you write a letter like this? Can you write in reply? Now here is the sample answer. Let me unmute you so that you can read, because I don't want to read this. Somebody read. Yes, read.
To director, Society for the Disabled. Vasant Bihar, youth
Take.
subject. Inquiry about various programs organized by your society. Dear ma'am or sir, this is in response to the advertisement published by you in the Times of India dated 10th February 2020. I am a student class BBA at philanthropist at Harvard.
What do you mean by philanthropist? Somebody who loves to work for the mankind.
I am active to NGO prayers. It helps to educate the rag pickers in the slums of the city.
What do you mean by rag picker? Poor people.
Having read your advertisements, I would like to know about the various programs that society does to help the disabled members of our society. I would like to become a part of any scheme which helps these people. Please let me know about the programs organized by you and also let me know if there is any provision I can collect money and the cause of the disabled members of the society. Looking forward to your Julie Mansi.
मानसिक कौशिक मांगरू मानसिक सही में उसका नाम है। अच्छा मानसी सही में नाम है। काजी में हुआ खोजता है। मानसी किसका नाम है? मानसी नाम है। अच्छा मानसी हमको मानसी सुनाई दे रहा है।